Putting your foot in your mouth, navigating social slip-ups. Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase in the English language: putting your foot in your mouth. This expression is a colorful way to describe a situation many of us find ourselves in at one point or another. So, if you've ever wondered what it means or how to use it, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Putting your foot in your mouth refers to the act of saying something embarrassing, inappropriate, or hurtful, often without intending to. It's like accidentally stepping into a conversation with the wrong words, leading to awkward or uncomfortable situations. This phrase vividly captures the essence of regret or embarrassment one feels after realizing they've said something they shouldn't have. The exact origin of the phrase is a bit murky, but it's widely believed to stem from the physical impossibility and awkwardness of literally putting one's foot in their mouth. This visual exaggeration emphasizes the social awkwardness of the situation it describes. Over time, it has become a popular way to express the concept of verbal misstep in English-speaking cultures. Understanding how to use this phrase correctly can help you better express situations of social faux pas. Here are a few examples. I really put my foot in my mouth when I asked about his ex, not knowing they had just broken up. She put her foot in her mouth during the meeting by mistakenly revealing the surprise party plans. I can't believe I put my foot in my mouth by making a joke that no one found funny. These sentences show how the phrase can be used to describe situations where someone accidentally says something regrettable. While it's human to err, there are ways to minimize these moments. Think before you speak. Take a moment to consider your words and their potential impact. Know your audience. Be aware of the sensitivities and backgrounds of those you're speaking with. Apologize when necessary. If you do slip up, a sincere apology can go a long way in smoothing things over. We hope this video has shed some light on the meaning and use of putting your foot in your mouth. It's a reminder that words are powerful and can sometimes lead us into awkward situations. But with a little care and awareness, we can navigate our conversations more smoothly. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into the English language. See you in the next video.